Yes.
Are you seeing Uni? You got
Yes.
Uni?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So part of my thesis is DeFi is easy for people who are in crypto to sort of get their head around, but I'm not sure that some guy who normally trades Tesla options could come into crypto and go, "Oh yeah, I'm going to just go start yield farming." Right? Or I'm going to start doing DeFi and earn interest on my coins. It might be easier for somebody coming in off the street and going, okay, wait a minute. Uniswap is a token connected to the number one decentralized exchange. Binance is connected to the number one centralized exchange. Sushi is the silver to the Uniswap gold. All right. So my thinking is even if they smash these things, that you want to try to find a place to buy it, because I think Uniswap's going to 10. Okay. In other words, once someone's got a taste, okay, for what these things can do, if Binance coin went from $2, okay, when Multicoin Capital bought it, and then it turned around and went to 40, why can't Uniswap do the same thing? I mean, technical analysts have the benefit of just looking at the charts and saying these type of things, right? Why not? Okay. So this morning I was looking at 5.5. That did not work out. Okay. I think the primary reason was because a lot of other people were looking at 5.5. So I redrew something. Now I'm looking at 479. Okay. So if Uniswap can hold 479, okay, I think it can turn around and stabilize and go to $10. This assumes we don't have an election apocalypse. Now for sushi, I'm looking at sushi, and I'm not going to show the chart because it's not a lot of history. But from what I understand from smart people I know, sushi has got to get above $2. If sushi gets above $2, that could also help ignite the space. Now, I don't know when you're going to be watching this video. Obviously, I'm working off very short-term charts. So you may be watching this video a week from now. Hopefully, Uniswap is not at 2 because all the interns sell. Because it's possible. Right? I mean, people are like, I'm taking the money, dude, later. Okay, I understand that. But this concept of, say Bitcoin is money and participating in the new decentralized DeFi revolution by owning these exchange tokens. Okay. Because again, Binance coin during the IEO era, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. That's when Binance got hot. So this is a good space for people who are coming in now. And by the way, one thing I like about Uniswap is, Binance, of course, listed Uniswap right away so people could short it. And then Uniswap got themselves listed on Coinbase, which is basically like your buy and hold hodl crowd. Okay. So there are people who may come in and may think about hodling the Uniswap coin, like buying it and holding it, like I'll take a shot. Okay. People got plenty of Tesla profits to play with. Goldman made $100 million trading Tesla, and so did a lot of smaller guys. So there's money out there for crypto, okay, as soon as people stop freaking out. So my Uniswap price target, because the name of the video will be Uniswap price prediction, okay, I think Uniswap's going to 10, okay? If Uniswap goes to 2 and I've got egg all over my face, honestly, I'd buy it at 2.
Yeah.
Because if Uniswap's going away, so's our show. So that's how I would sum it up.
Yeah. I mean, like, if Uniswap goes away, I mean, pretty much the entire crypto market is done, right? I mean, all of DeFi is going to zero. Everything's done, right? I mean, because actually, I mean, now maybe to kind of play devil's advocate, maybe somebody comes up with some DEX that's 10 times better than anything out there at the moment, right? And I think the only way to really do that is maybe if somebody's able to come up with a DEX that has 0 transaction fees, right? So, I mean, not to kind of get ahead of myself, but I know there are lots of other DEXs that are trying to compete with what's happening with Ethereum and DeFi, right? I know there's some stuff on Solana. I think there's Serum that's trying to kind of do the same thing. They're trying to have basically a DEX on their own blockchain on Solana that's a lot faster. Then there's PolkaSwap, which is trying to be a cross-asset DEX on Polkadot blockchain, right? But the adoption is not there yet because PolkaSwap hasn't even launched yet. They're probably going to launch sometime next year, right? So I think kind of in the short term, everything is good, right? So kind of as Bill mentioned, best case pretty much is $10. Worst case, $2 on the bear side. All right, now tell us what you think. Are you bullish or are you bearish? What do you think UNI can go? Tell us down in the comments below.